Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will talk about the align tools in MS Excel XPS 360. So this tool is used for align top, align center, align down. This is for the indent decrease, indent increase. This is for the paragraph started from left, from center, from right to justify. This is for the fixing merge and center to text, merge and center, wrap text to cut some text to another. Journal, this is a simply automatic and mathematical problem we will solve. We select journal type cell and there are a lot of options here: number, currency, counting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific text, etc. Currency, percentage style, comma, decimal, increase decimal, decrease decimal, conditional formatting we will use for the highlight cell rule, top bottom rules, data bars, color scales, icon sets, new rules, use manage rules. Format as a table format, we can select different color from our table. Auto sums function is a simple mathematical problem we solve from here. Auto filter give a filter, add to the sorting, format rows and column, work in sheet, and freeze the column or rows or planes. So in today's class we will read about how menu briefly, alignment, margin center, wrap text, and other menu of MS Excel is insert. In insert we can add pivot table, pivot chart, table, picture, screen grab, shapes, charts, different style of charts available here, text box, word art, symbol, equation, camera, header and footer, object, file, object, hyperlink, and labeling, commenting, write note, etc. And page layout menu we learn about how to give a themes to our document, different style of themes available here, color style available here, and font style available here, effect style available here, margin, give margin to your document. Just click on this and the option will be open. Difference. So this is the margin. You can increase, decrease the margin of your document. Orientation you will use both the portrait and landscape. Okay. Size, a different size. A4 size by default we select, but there is a lot of option here available to select according to your situation. Print area, which area you want to print, you will select from this. Print titles, and which style you want to apply in the printing. Background, edge break, page zoom, alignment, portrait, selection pane, and setting. And the fourth is the formula menu. In formula menu you will see insert function. You can insert function from here, but you click on this and the function will be entered from here. Apply a formula on it. You can easily apply a formula or function on any data from here. Auto sum, it's a general mathematics problem. We will use this function. Recently used, which formula we use recently, you will see here. It's maybe one, and near we see, use a sum for formula, so the function of sum is on the top. All this is all formulas according in MS Excel. Financial, it's related to bank, logical, it is related to algebra, etc. Text, we want to add text and Excel document, date and time, look at reference match, and triangular more function, name manager, create, etc. We will discuss briefly in our next classes. If you are new on my channel, just I request you to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss updates. If you interested in MS Excel class, just share your ideas in the comment section. I will be waiting for your feedback. So once again, thanks for watching, and I will request to you again, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss updates.